Yeah, have you also been looking for a way to generate AI videos completely for free and infinitely? Well, if yes, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll show you how to generate super realistic AI videos, totally free, 100% free, infinitely free. You can repeat the process as many times as you want. I'll show you that right away. So, to begin with, you can subscribe to the channel. So you click here, right here, and voila, you're subscribed. There, you click yes, and it's done. You click on subscribe there, and you're subscribed to the channel. Then you can click on the link in the description or just type Digen, and there, Digen.ai, you click on it, and that will be the site that will generate the videos for us. You see, there are already lots of people who have made amazing videos. That's not what we're interested in. We're going to click on the little yellow thing, free. There, it asks us to sign in. Now, we shouldn't sign in with Google, no. That, well, you can do it, you will have some credits, but you won't be able to repeat the process endlessly. Instead, go to sign up for free, and there you will create a new email, go to TempMail. So any site, I take the first one that comes up. It wants our email address, we copy it, go to Digen, enter it, send the code, it's done, it's sent. Now we wait for it to arrive in the inbox. Now the password, so you set the password you want. There, you are registered. Now you have 300 free credits. So, to create a video, now you just go to create. What I advise you to do, go into image. The image generation is infinite and completely free. It doesn't use any coins. You can put, for example, I don't know, Minecraft block. Just that. So here you can choose the format. I choose a short format, 9:16. You see there are several formats. We can choose all of them. Several styles also possible. So I didn't choose any, but for your images, you can choose the one you want. It's generating one. It takes about 2 to 3 minutes. It's a bit long, but well, it's free, infinite, you know. So there you go. The 4 images have been generated. No credits have been deducted. That means it works well. Now we can take, for example, an image. This one, let's say, make a video. So here the image has been imported here. It's just about entering a prompt in French, in English, as you like. It works. Let's put, for example, I don't know, time lapse. So the video lasts, only 5 seconds. We can't take 10 because you have to pay. But well, it's not a big deal. I also keep the 9:16 format. There are also several model effects here. I'm generating a video. Hop, now it's generating. It's in the process of generating. It tells us about 2 minutes of waiting, during which we can do something else, like subscribing or watching a little IB2M short. You see? There. It did exactly as I said. So here it works super well. It did exactly what I asked it to do. If you download the video, you'll see there's a small watermark at the bottom right that doesn't really get in the way. If you really want to remove it, you just have to go to OnlineVideoCutter. You click on it, you go there, you import your video. There, hop, the video is imported. You click on this button, remove the logo. You select where it is present, right here at the bottom right. You click on save, and there, hop, it's already ready. We just have to save it.
And the watermark has indeed disappeared from the video.
And also one last little detail when you try to recreate an account with a TempMail. If you stay on the same browser and you enter your email while creating an account and click on the send code button, well, Digen will send you an error. In fact, it's completely normal. It's just a security measure they've put in place. For that, no problem. You just have to download Tor. Tor Onion. There it is, the projector. You download the browser. Once you've downloaded and installed it, you just need to go on it. It will connect you and allow you to return to the Digen site and recreate an account like you did with the TempMail without any problem. If Digen returns an error, you just have to click right here on the little broom. You click restart, and that's it. And you're back to 300 credits, which is about 10 videos and an infinite number of images. There you go. Don't hesitate to subscribe. That's it. And see you soon.